In order to add a landing page with just a few clicks, we first need to add a landing page in the landing page management section. So we're going to go ahead and click on the LPs and offers tab to do this, and then click on LP management. Now we're going to give our landing page a name, and then add a URL. So I'll just use example.com here, and then we need to give our campaign a group name. So this is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and click on add new, and then add a group name and save. Now I can go ahead and scroll down and we can find our page. And from here we can edit our page and even delete it if necessary. And now our landing page is ready for our campaigns.